Hi everyone, I just wanted to let you know that you in fact can do small yard gardening. This is my neighbor's yard and they took their pumpkin from last year and put it in their garden bed, and this is what it turned out to be. So it grew all over their driveway, and then right in time for Halloween they've got a beautiful ready pumpkin. They also have a lot of flowers, so you can see there's a possibility. That's a male. Oh, there's another big pumpkin down there. Oh, and another one down there. So they've got a whole bunch of pumpkins, and all they did was take their pumpkin from last year's Halloween and put it into their garden bed and let it rot and decay, and the seeds came out and it grew this beautiful, beautiful pumpkin patch. So don't throw your pumpkin away. Let it rot in your garden bed and see what you get too.